Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Drone for Beginners. Here I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, a very quick unboxing and a flight test of the JD-20 pocket drone, one of the best drones you can find in the market, and you're gonna see why it's very fine. This drone is very fast. It has motors that are more powerful than any other pocket drone. The day is very good day to fly. It's not so windy, but it's very irregular here in where I live. When I take off, it's gonna be windy, I know, and you're gonna see that very fast. So let's do a quick and magic unboxing and see what comes in the box. Now you can see all that comes in the box. As you can see, it comes with the drone. This is a folding drone. It's remote control. This remote control looks like a DJI remote control. It's very similar, but it doesn't have the same functions. It comes with its battery. This is a big battery, 3.7 volts, 800 milliampere hours, manual, 2 extra blades, screwdriver, USB charger, and 4 blade protectors. Very important, put your blade protectors if you are a beginner. Now I'm gonna unfold. Let's unfold with one only hand. As you can see, it's unfoldable. And why this drone is very good? Because it comes with motors that are more powerful than all the folding drones or cheap beginner folded drones that are in the market. That make this drone very fast. And something that is very unusual is that this drone looks like a clone of the DJI Spark drone. As you can see, it looks like a DJI Spark drone for only $50. So open wide your eyes. Maybe someone could think or try to sell this like a DJI Spark. This drone does not have GPS. This drone does not have real sensors in its front, and in the belly it doesn't have sensors. It only has a wide 2 megapixel camera. It's a very good camera. So let's start flying and see how it flies today. Okay, now I'm ready to fly. This drone is very easy to bin. All you have to do is turn on your drone lens, then turn on the remote control. It's gonna bin automatically. Then you must download the app to your phone, start your Wi-Fi, find the Wi-Fi connection, and all that you have to do to get video feedback on your phone. Then I'm gonna start the video here. Okay, video has been started. Now let's fly, and you're gonna see very fast this drone is. It has 3 speeds, 2 speed, 3 speed, 1 speed. So I'm gonna take off in the first speed, and then I'm gonna pass through the other 2 speeds. So I'm gonna take off, calibrate gyroscope, arm motors are armed. As you can see, there's no wind today, so let's take off. Okay, it's very easy to fly. It has altitude hold. So first I'm gonna calibrate the sticks because it's going like front. Let's put some 2 points back. That's gonna trim. First I'm gonna trim the sticks. It starts to wind a little bit. Here he is. Here you can see it, and it's in speed 1. If the camera is filming, you must be seeing what he's seeing in this moment. So let's fly fast and see how fast it is. Remember, it's in mode 1, speed 1. So let's bring it very fast to me. Here it comes, very fast. And let's make our first flight. Let's see how fast it can go. Here it comes. It's very fast. If you have in mind that it's in speed 1, let's bring it very fast to me. Here it comes, very fast. Wow. I'm gonna put it in speed 2. Okay, this is speed 2. Here it comes at max speed. I'm gonna try to bring it to me at a high speed. You must not do what I'm doing in this moment, because you can easily here it comes. Watch out with your head. As you can see, it's very fast. Speed 2. Now speed 3. Wow. Oh my god. He almost got me. So that is very dangerous. What I just made but I want to show you how fast it is. It's very fast. What's his flight time? His flight time is gonna depend on the way you're gonna fly. If you're gonna fly as fast as I'm flying, the speed, the flight speed is not gonna be its best. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back and start flying here where I am. Let's put it speed 1. Okay, speed 1. Let's fly here where I am. Let's do some circular flying. That's why I say this is a very, very good drone to start. It's very powerful. Today, one of the best drones that all people say that's the best to start is the Sigma X5C. It's a very good drone. I'm gonna put links below of this one and the Sigma X5C. But this is better. Why? It has more powerful motors. It has a bigger battery. This battery is like 800 milliamps hour. The Sigma has a battery that's like 300 milliamps, I think. So this drone can give you more flight time, more power. It has brighter luces, and it's a folding drone, so it's more easy to take with you. As you can see, its flight time is gonna be very, very good. It's oh my god, wow. Don't do that, don't do that. I do that type of flying because I'm a crazy guy. You maybe lose your head if you do the same that I'm doing. So I like to fly very fast, Mono 3, fast speed. If you want to have a good picture, good footage, you must fly at speed 1 and leave the drone in one position. Let's try to do some good video. Remember, this does not have GPS, so you must fight with the wind. Try to leave the drone in one only place and then do a little pan. Let's do a pan of this place where I am. As you can see, the wind is taking him away, so it's not so easy. If you want a good picture, try to do it when there's not a lot of wind. So let's get some height. Don't go so high with this drone because you're gonna lose it. I'm gonna guarantee you that. This is like a good height. I'm like 20 meters up. I think I'm 15 or 20 meters up. Let's do a 360. A slow 360. No, that's a crazy 360. That's not what I'm going to try to do. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it low. And it has a good range. Oh my god, here comes a dog. Let's bring it down. If you go up with your drone, it's gonna be more difficult to bring it back. So have that in mind. There's a little dog. Let's go catch the dog. Hey little dog. Hey little dog. Hello little dog. Are you my enemy or you are my friend? Almost all dogs don't like me and don't like my drones. Speed 2, come back, more flight, fly more faster. As you can see, the flight time is great. It has a very good flight time, and I think it could have like 2 more minutes more. Let's see if its lights are blinking. Its lights are not blinking, so it's flying. It's flying great. Okay, here comes some little kids. There are some kids practicing football. Hello. Hello. Hello, my friends. Hello. Hello. Let's bring it back at full speed. I think I'm out speed 1 and I have more juice and more fun. This drone you can fly at the night with no problem. Why? Because it have very good lights. Okay, lights are blinking, so lights are blinking, it's time to land. Very important, when you see that your drone has lights blinking, you must land if you want your battery to last lots of flights. Disarm. Well, that was a great flight. I think I had like 6 or 7 minutes of flight. In the video you're seeing the flight time. Comment if you like my videos, and if you like my videos, please give me a big thumbs up, like, that's gonna help me a lot. Below in the description you're gonna find the links where you can buy it. Don't forget to share my videos, comment all you think. If you have any question, comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.